Yeah, we're making some type of chicken bun, hamburger, I don't know. Like bites? But they're not gonna be bites, they're gonna be plus size because regular plus size doesn't sound good, right? Extra big.
That don't sound good either.
I don't know.
Now, time to wash the chicken.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
You don't need to film. 3 gram onion. I'm just gonna.
Oh.
Huh? I forgot that. How are you supposed to know 3 rounds?
You eyeball it.
Like that?
Yeah.
Push. I like onion.
Good there. There.
Push.
Oh. Why do you use your hands?
Because it's chicken and I don't like chicken on my hands. Something like that.
Oh!
Like that maybe?
Mm-hmm.
And then and then it's honey.
Mm-hmm. You like a bit of honey, don't you?
Yeah. Tell me.
Cool.
Should we take one?
Yeah. Let's throw some on the skin.
So now we've cut them up a bit smaller.
Look at that. It's almost time for the sauce.
Yeah.
Are you proud of yourself?
Yeah, are you hungry?
Might as well give them to me now. Favorite bit? I was anticlimactic. Do we need more?
Maybe. We'll see. Hopefully this is good.
What do you say?
If we don't have an oven
Yeah.
or a fryer, we can't really make the bread. So I just bought hamburger bread. We're gonna get it in hamburger bread.
Sounds good.
A little napkin. We're gonna put the chicken in there.
This would be a bomb with some cheese.
We have cheese. garlic sauce. We're gonna take the chicken.
I've just started the camera. No.
Apparently I'm the one giving the review. And let's see how it is. Like maybe 7 out of 10. Very spicy. With a lot of cayenne pepper, a lot of regular pepper or black pepper. But it's good.
Would you remake?
Yes, but I'll try to find a better combo of ingredients.